Ready to go out, Lucy? See what she thinks of all this snow.
Want to go out?
Here we go. Ready? 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 Go! Whoa!
Baby! Okay? Poor baby. It's okay. Someone needs to go and get her.
She's stuck.
Come on, Lucy. Come on, you can make it.
Andy, you want to go out?
Come on, go
Wait,
save her.
she's swimming.
Poor baby.
Andy, you want to go out? Go get your sister. Go get her. Go on, go. Go see.
Oh my God. Oh!
Hold on.
Oh, that's so fun.
Go do your business, girls.
Go do your business. Go. Go on. Go do your business. Go.
Go do your business, Andy.
Hustle. Go on. Good girl. Good girl. Make a path for Lucy. Come on, Lucy.
All right, I'm going to go get the shovel.
Wait,